beautiful ones. It's beautiful to have you again this week. Do you know that for over 5 days in the past 1 week, it has been a journey of a massive, serious action-taking moment in the last concluded Advance Your Reach Challenge with yours truly. And I want to welcome you. If you are just joining us for newly in this channel, don't forget to hit the bell and click the button to get subscribed to educative, informative, and motivational content with us here in Lodeta Think Media. Every Friday promises to give you new nuggets that can take you further in your journey to personal development and financial success in life. And so, one of the takeaways from this past challenge is the fact that you and I must know that the path to success is not just by mere wishing and mere talking. That you cannot desire an extraordinary life and take the ordinary path. That there is a needed ingredient that you need to constantly maintain the momentum and sustain the change you have gotten. And so, for today's video, I want to give you 3 blueprints, 3 steps to creating a lasting change. That every change you have gotten, you want to sustain it and maintain it for the rest of this year and the rest of your life. And so, if you are ready, grab yourself a cup of coffee, take your pen and paper, and let's go right into today's teaching now. Welcome back. Friends, if you have a deep hunger and a great desire to live life on your own terms and to constantly expand your horizon to becoming the best version of you in 2021 and beyond, you need to learn how you can maintain and sustain the change that you have gotten in the past few days. Whatever the journey is for you, today's topic is 3 steps to creating a lasting change. 3 steps to creating lasting change. Now, the first step that I'm going to be sharing with you is change your identity. When you change your identity, you change your belief. Your identity is you. What is the story? What identity do you tell or do you display every time people ask you, who are you? Many of us have given ourselves a wrong narrative and a false identity about who a person is indeed. The total package of you see standing in front of you is combination of the story of what you have kept telling yourself that this is who you are. And for the mere fact that you begin to believe what you tell yourself you are. That is the irony of this issue. So for you to create a lasting change, you must, for a fact, understand why you must create a new identity for the kind of future and the kind of personality you want to see yourself become from day to day. And so every wrong identity, and many of us, perchance, we may be suffering from identity challenge. Many of us don't truly believe. Many of us need, as a matter of fact, to crush those identities and those beliefs that we have once told ourselves in the past that is not helping. We must, as a matter of urgency, create a brand new and awesome, empowering identity for ourselves. The one that matches the picture of who we truly want to see us evolve. The kind that matches the true identity, the one we want people to know us for. And so it is very crucial because many of us, our past experiences in life has told us different stories that have formed a pattern in our life that is making us to believe we are good for nothing, or we don't have what it takes, or we have believed that what people tells us to be is what we are actually are. Don't say you are good for nothing, you cannot succeed, you don't have what it takes to make it, you don't have an opinion, you are too dumb, you don't have, every of those things that people tells us. It is high time we bury those identities and we bring ourselves up to a state where we begin to rewrite our identity. I am a force for good. I am a creator. I believe. I create. I don't destroy. I am a force for good. I am a major motivator. My world needs more of me. I am living in my right movement. This is the best version of me. I am constantly engaging in daily to-day habits that are wholesome, that is going to produce the new version of me that I want to see. Every day and in every way, my life is getting bigger, my reach is getting wider. I have what it takes to constantly change my life, my state, and my future. And that every time I show up, life, wisdom, leadership is what people see around me. Every of this word that I've just said should become a mantra or your own daily incantation that you practice to reinforce the right empowering belief that will sustain the change and the status of who you want to see going from now. So be a no limit person. Remove every negative and every identity crisis and everything that constantly bring you back to your former used to be. And if you practice this, I tell you, before you know it, it is just like you. For example, let me ask you, how do you train your dog? How do you train your dog to know his or her name? You keep calling that dog by that name every time you see the dog. You keep calling that dog that name and you keep asking the dog to come. Before long, the dog will get used to that name and begin to know. That is the same thing for us as humans too. From today and so, write out your new belief about who you are and begin to call yourself by that name. I want to ask you, do this exercise and give yourself a name that you want your new identity to match. And every day you wake up, tell yourself and beat yourself in the chest and call out that name. I am a major motivator. I am a force for good. I am a creator. And every day in every way, God's love, God's wisdom, and God's leadership is flowing through me to bring change to my world. That is what I tell myself every morning. When I get up, it gives me a refined vibe and energy to go through my day. That is, you've got to learn this. And make sure you do that every day when you wake up. The second point to creating lasting change is you and I, as a matter of urgency, must embrace Caney. And what does Caney stand for? CANEI. Create a never-ending appetite for knowledge. Create a never-ending appetite for information. Friends, I want you to know that you can only get rewarded in the public what you practice in the private. You only get rewarded in the public what you practice in the private. I want you to know that for you to create a lasting change, you must remain in a state of expanded awareness, constantly expanding your awareness through research, through knowledge, through reading, through new skills. And this is the only ingredient that can help you get informed, that can crush every level of doubt and disbelief, that can even help you to grow your confidence and your competence, so that when you show up, those negative beliefs of you are not good enough, or you don't have what it takes, or you are not smart enough will be crushed, because you have created a new lifestyle and a new habit that is constantly helping you to broaden your knowledge and your understanding about every particular knowledge of where you are finding yourself and you want to show yourself strong. So friends, it's a matter of urgency that you and I must apply ourselves to know the needed skill set, the needed action set, and the needed know-how, technical know-how that you need to help you to remain informed. Because let me tell you, friends, every day this world is changing. In fact, so many of things we used to think we know now, many of us, change has taken place and we are becoming obsolete, we are becoming rusty, and we need to continue. You can imagine every day in all the technology gadgets you can name of, Each time they leave the factory, every week, every month, you constantly get updates about new invention and new way improvement. So I want you to see your life that way too. That for you to remain relevant, for you to be in the cutting edge of whatever is happening in your community and your environment, in your world, you must live in that state of ever constant desire to improve and upgrade your knowledge in everything you think you know, and never ever think you already know all. You must continue to research, continue to learn, unlearn, and relearn so that you can be on top of your game every time you show up. Friends, before I go to the last point, if you have found value in whatever I've shared so far, don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel. I want to ask you this question as going on. What is your former belief about yourself that you think you need to change as a matter of urgency? I want you to put it in the comments. And what is your new name that you want to be known? What's your new identity? I also want you to put. Also, I want to ask you to do with this video. I want to ask you that what is the current skill that you have started learning or you desire to learn and you are going to commit to? What new skill or what new knowledge or what new book, what new thing are you going to do to expand your awareness and your knowledge? I also want to see it on the comment. Yeah, to the third point. The third point is you must invest your time and money wisely. You must invest your time and money wisely. See, the wealthy, the healthy, and the rich and the wise, one of the things that differentiate them from the rest of us is that they invest and spend their time and their money on themselves. And this kind of investment I'm talking about is not on you buying shoes, you buying clothing, or what have you, as good as those things. This is taking deliberate massive effort to invest in yourself, in buying things, in spending your time. A lot of us spend time, a lot of us use time, a lot of us waste time, and sometimes we also invest time. But the best way you use your life, your time and money is to invest it in yourself. And how do I mean by you investing in yourself? You invest in yourself by sitting down to see what are those things that can give value to your life. What are those information that can help you? You know, when you just spend your time, it's just like you sleep, you spend your time. You watch TV, you spend your time, you know. But when you invest your time, it's talking about you giving quality time to either purchase books, either go for a course, go for a training, improve, go to sign up for a training and a program that can help you and give you understanding about any area of your life that you have doubt and unbelief, so that you can have more knowledge and more level of confidence that can give you the needed right belief that can help to sustain and uphold you to the level that your life is desiring. And so you must know, for a matter of urgency, for me and for every one of you out there that's listening, these are some of the 3 critical areas that have helped me improve my journey in life. I have made deliberate efforts to invest myself in time, my money, and in quality coaching, quality mentorship, and in quality community, and in quality consistency, community of people that can give you the needed check. And so I want to encourage you to not forget anything in this takeaway. You need you need the right mentor or the right coach. You need consistency in practicing what you have learned by having a community of accountable people that can put check on you and that can help you. And I want to invite you. I'm opening my doors to help you in that journey, to coach you, to help you, to lead you and give you assistance with regards to any area of your life you're lacking. Are you a nursing mother? Do you have challenges in coping with your day-to-day job? Do you have challenges managing your time and managing yourself in time and coping with life issues and everything without your goal and dreams in life? I want you to just put a mail through dataconsulting@gmail.com. I will put the link and you can have somebody to talk to. I'll be waiting to hear from you and to let you know that your much needed